Hello guys, I'm here to introduce to you the Genius IT Brainery's newest flagship program. This program, the TechBridge Launchpad, is designed for senior high school students anytime they are on vacation. The reason for this program is from the experiences we've gathered from the past 5 years, training over 1,000 young people, most of which are senior high school graduates and university graduates. We've realized that most young people who are ready for the job market are struggling to understand basic and simple digital competence concepts. So why the TechBridge program? We are making sure that every senior high school student gets the basics to the complex level knowledge in IT. This will enable them to pursue more advanced programs with the fundamental knowledge they've gathered whilst they're in senior high school. And this program is proven to be very effective with a few students we've trained so far. Imagine our learners being able to create simple Excel management systems for institutions to use whilst they're in SHS1, SHS2, and SHS3. Right from senior high school level, they should be able to pursue skills like data analysis, software development, mobile app development, and many more. And that is the essence of this program. The program is very simple. The cost is minimal. You can enroll your child for a whole year and pay a minimal fee which can take the child through all the trainings that are packaged for them. Trust me, this will be a blessing to your child. They spend 2 hours a day and they make their way to other classes that are equally important to them. And yet, they have acquired more competent skills that can position them for the job market even before they make it to the university. So visit our website as displayed on the screen and enroll your child, or call the numbers on your screens and we would attend to you. See you very soon. God bless you.